long time. Down all the years, down all the days. And I cried for all your troubles, smiled at your fun little ways. We washed our friend, grew up together, and we saw them as they fell. Some of them fell into heaven, some of them fell into hell. I took a shower from a shower, and I stepped in to your arms on a rainy night down in Soho. The wind was whistling all its charms. I sang you all my sorrows, and you told me all your joys. Whatever happened to that old song, to all those little girls and boys? Sometimes we'd wake up in the morning, a ginger lady by my bed, covered in a cloak of silence. I'd hear you talking in my head. I'm not singing for the future, I'm not dreaming of the past. I'm not talking of all the first times. I never think about the loss. Now our song is nearly over. We may never find out what it means.